Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to enter referral code on TikTok. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing you want to do here is you want to open up your TikTok mobile application. Now from here, you want to go to your profile, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, you'll be able to see a coin on your TikTok account. Now here, it's actually located at the top left of your screen. And when you go here, it's going to pop up first that it's going to ask if you're actually 18 years old and above. You just need to confirm that and make sure that you're actually 18 years old when you do this. Now from here, you just need to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says enter invite code to get cash reward, and basically just enter referral code here and just click on confirm, and you'll be able to enter that referral code. Now, I do have to inform you that this is only available for new sign-ups or new accounts that has been created. So if your account is fairly old, then you will not be able to see this option here. So that's usually the case. So if you're able to access on this, good. If you're not, then unfortunately this feature is not available to you. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.